Hello, step right up. Welcome to Quarantine Tips with Terasa. Teen Tips with Tea. Haven't quite worked out what it's going to be called yet. But welcome to my home. This is my kitchen. No doubt you're at home. We're all at home. And all of us are trying to work. We're trying to get our work done. Me, myself, I have no work. All of my work flew away. So I've made my work trying to help you with your work. And I know that many of you would like a standing desk solution. Maybe you had standing desks that your lovely bosses gave you when you're at your offices that are now just sitting there collecting dust. Well, let's try and get creative with what we have at home. I have a situation sorted out here. I'm lucky. I have this benchy situation that separates our kitchen from our hallway. And so this has been really, really great for me. I know I get a bad back when I sit too much in a chair. So this is just delightful. I end up having no pain at all. It doesn't matter what I look like. I still have my slippers on. So this has been great for me. If I do need more space, however, my husband, genius that he is, got my old whiteboard out, and I've just been placing this here. So you can anchor this down with maybe a couple of cans of beans. Maybe you got some old bricks or like a pot plant, a nice orchid, so you feel like you're at your desk. And this has been really great for me too. The plus side of this is that lunchtime is super easy. I can just lean down and get any of my 30 jars of nuts and things that I have here. Also, just like we're still in the office. La Croix, anyone? Coke Zero, huh? Someone else's lunch? You know who you are. And then again, it's also a possibility that if you're trying to lose a bit of weight and you don't want to do any eating during this particular situation, then nothing more helpful in the world for dieting has come across my desk than this. Genius. Come with me for version 2 of standing desk. All right, option 2. I know you thought about this because you're no dummy, but here's one I prepared earlier. How about a table on a table, right? Coffee table, picnic table. You could do coffee table and then like a big box and a little box, big box, little box, pack them, stack them until it makes itself to your height. The nice thing about having this standing desk in the living room is that your kids can do their homework or do their coloring in, and when you all need a break, just sit down, flip on the telly, and have a nice bit of COVID-19 news to cheer us all up. Option number 3, also obvious, but how handy is an ironing board as a stand-up desk? Surprisingly sturdy. It's not being used for anything else right now because no one's going anywhere. No one needs to iron anything because we're all wearing sweatpants and slippers. If it is not to your liking of height, then sacrilege. Everyone's got some of these. You don't have to use toilet paper. Maybe you've got bricks. Maybe you've got a bunch of books from Stanislavski that you're never going to read. Pop them all underneath there, and it's surprisingly sturdy. The other thing I would recommend is if you have a yoga mat or anything that's squishy, pop that underneath. And it's so nice for your back. So nice and comfortable on your legs. You can just rule the world from behind the ironing board. Oh yeah. So there you go, standing desks. You can go for your life and get creative using what you have around your home, but just remember that creating a standing desk is so much better for your back. And don't forget that nothing is what it seems these days. So you've probably seen this on the internet, but I wanted to try it. With a little bit of soap suds and some water, suddenly you turn your standing desk. Instant trip. Oh gee, where's the speed? This is fantastic.